Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Rahaz Art. Today I will paint a moonlight view. I hope you all will like the full video. Please watch full video and please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more beautiful painting. It really motivates me. I will tell a story today. Welcome to this video about one of the greatest love stories of all time. The story of Aladdin and the magical princess Jasmine, and how their love changed their destiny. The story begins in the kingdom of Agrabah, where a young street boy by the name of Aladdin lives. He is a carefree young man whose only wish is for a better life. One day, Aladdin meets Princess Jasmine, who has snuck out of the palace to explore the city beyond the walls. The two fall in love instantly, and their journey of adventure and discovery has only just begun. Aladdin soon learns of a magical lamp that can grant him 3 wishes. With the help of a friendly genie, he is able to use his wishes to win the hand of the princess. However, even with true love on his side, Aladdin faces many obstacles. His enemies will do anything in their power to keep them apart. But in the end, Aladdin and Jasmine are able to prevail, and their love conquers all. In the end, Aladdin and Jasmine's love is stronger than any obstacle. Their story stands as a testament to the power of true love in the face of any adversity. We hope you enjoyed the story of Aladdin and Jasmine. Do let me know in the comment section if you like my painting or want to give me any suggestion. Please subscribe and like, share, comment. Have a nice day. See you in my next video.